Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today I'm going to be going over linked crochet, the single crochet version of linked crochet, so linked single crochet. And I've already chained up 21 because I want an even number, but you can chain as many as you like for any project that you happen to be working on. And let's get started. So to start this, I'm going to work a single crochet into the second chain from my hook. And for linked crochet, for the single crochet, linked crochet, you start with a normal single crochet at the beginning of each row. And the thing that makes it linked is you're going to insert your hook into this first leg or loop, and then you're going to work into the next stitch, and then you will have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3, and then again it's into this leg here, or this loop here. You're inserting your hook into the next stitch, pulling up a loop, yarning over, and pulling through all 3. And that's what makes it linked, is that you are actually working into the previous stitch to continue making your single crochet. And I'll meet you up at the end to go over row 2 and to show what this first row is going to look like as well. See you soon. Okay, so I'm at the end, and here's what our linked single crochet looks like in this first row. It looks a little bit different than a normal single crochet because you have this diagonal line coming across. And now I'm going to go into row 2. So row 2, you can chain 1 if you like, or just work straight into the first stitch. And you're just working a normal single crochet. And again, you're working into that first leg and into the next stitch, and you're making sure to grab both loops of the V, yarning over and pulling through all 3. And that's really all there is to linked single crochet. It's just working into this loop in the next stitch and yarning over and pulling through all 3 loops. And what you end up with is a diagonal line like this across the entire row. So I'm going to work up a few more rows and show you what it looks like at the very end. Okay, so I've worked a couple more rows and I won a yarn chicken, I guess. And here's what a linked single crochet looks like. It's a much tighter fabric than a single crochet, just a normal single crochet, and it doesn't create that little like star pattern or flower pattern that you might see when you work single crochets on top of each other. And yeah, that is linked single crochet. It creates a nice thick fabric that is perfect for a project where you want less apparent holes in between each of the stitches, and or gaps, I should say, not necessarily holes but gaps. So yeah, that is it, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you.